Going to stitch the long rolled woven picot, which is actually a variation on these woven picot stitches over here. So to start with, you are going to need 6 strands of the darkest green in your kit. We want to start by sticking our pin all the way up here. I know that seems really weird, but we just want to stab it into our fabric like so, kind of far up in this section right here away from the bottom. So we're going to thread our needle with 6 strands of that really dark green thread from our kit, and we are going to start by making a triangle around this pin here. So we're going to bring our needle up right about there, pull our thread through, feel that knot nice and flush with the back, and now we're going to wrap our thread around the top of our pin here and come back down about like so. Making a nice long triangle. And then we want to come up in the middle of that triangle, like right at the bottom in between those 2 spots down here. And again, we want to wrap our thread around the top of our pin here. So making sure you can see all 3 strands. Now we're going to weave our needle throughout these 3 strands all the way down from the top to the bottom. So whatever direction your thread is coming out from the top of the pin, you're going to go in the opposite direction. So I like to flip my needle around and weave it through those strands. Alright, so once we are done with our woven picot, weaving that whole long triangle here, we're going to take out our pin and we're going to bring our thread to the back to knot it off. So I'm just going to bring my needle around the other side of that bottom there, stick it in the back and make a knot. So just do my handy slip knot here. Oops, turns out my thread was a little too short to do that with the needle on. There we go. Nice and tight. And I will trim away this thread back here. Alright. And now we want to make that cute little coiled ball. So we're going to wrap our long triangle to that cute little ball right there. Get it nice and tight, like so. And then I'm going to thread my needle with that same color again. Bring it up right along the side there and catch the tip of my little triangle. See, like so. And I'm just going to make a short little stitch right there to hold it in place. There we go. And now we'll just make a few more along the outer edge of our woven picot to get it that nice coiled look. So I'll come up right next to that side there, catch just a little bit of my rolled picot, tack that down, and then I'll just come over like right here on this side. Do the same. That is how we make our rolled woven picot.